Today in the Model Car Vault, I'm unboxing Solido's 1/18 scale 1984 BMW 635 CSI. I've waited 20 years for this one, and I'll tell you why when we get it out of this box. Alright, so Solido keeps their packaging straightforward. No flashy text or over-the-top graphics. The clear plastic sides are a nice touch, letting you see both the front and the back of the car right in the box. On the back, there's a little nod to their history, advertising that they've been making collectible model cars since 1932. Pretty impressive. Underneath the box, there's the usual info, mostly a list of trademarks they're licensed for, which are predominantly European car makers, fitting since Solido is a French company. That said, this particular model is manufactured in Bangladesh. Taking it out of the box, you'll notice it's well secured in a plastic frame that protects the car but comes apart easily. And wow, look at that red. It's stunning. This color is called henna red. And while I don't think they've released other colors of this production model, I'm glad they went with this one. Alright, let's unscrew it from the base and get a closer look. With the base off, I'm removing the additional plastic molded protection underneath the car. There's some tape on the doors to keep them secure, so we'll carefully remove that first. By the way, if anyone has some tips on how to remove that sticky residue, let me know. Holding the model, it feels delicate due to the fine details, yet sturdy overall. That unmistakable front end immediately grabs your attention, along with the classic BMW headlights, iconic BBS rims, sleek pinstriping, chrome accents, and that signature rear spoiler that defines the 6 Series. It's an absolutely gorgeous car that instantly floods me with memories. Alright, let's put it on the spinner and I'll tell you why this car means so much to me. Well, it's because I actually used to own a BMW 635 CSI. Same color, but different year. This generation of 6 Series had a perfect blend of style, performance, and luxury. It was a flagship car for BMW, but a timeless treasure for me. Driving it was pure joy, and it carried so many great memories. Fast forward 20 years, and I stumbled upon this model with the exact same paint as my car, and it instantly brought all those feelings back. I just knew I had to have it. If you gotta have this one too, I left a link in the description where you can grab one. Before I go any further, I want to know from you, is there any model car that you've waited so long to get? Or is there a nostalgic car that you'd love to see made as a diecast model? Let me know in the comments. So now that it's back in my life, I just want to get into it. Unfortunately though, the doors are the only things that open on this model. The hood and trunk do not open, as is the case with a lot of Solido models. But looking inside, you can see there's some great detail here. And it's also nice to see that this was a manual transmission, as was mine. There's a lot more to talk about with this model, and I go into a deep dive review you can watch by clicking right here. You can also check out more review and unboxing videos of my favorite model cars on my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching the Model Car Vault.